Yeah, so don't mind the fact that I literally look like a homeless man. I'm headed to work right now, but you know, everything's kind of frozen because it's real early, and I mean, well, I'm not headed to work yet, but yeah, the Toyota didn't fucking start this morning. The Duramax is ruined. I don't know if you can tell, but she's got camber now. Maybe because of that fucking thing. So yeah, Duramax needs a new front end. Also, these past couple weeks it snowed like 3 feet and just fucking ruined my life. I bought a Supermoto and it just fucking shrapnelized itself. Fucking I ride it back from where I bought it, right? You know, like a 3-hour ride in the middle of the goddamn fucking night. 2 fucking degrees, riding through frozen fog, so my visor fucking froze into a piece of fucking frozen glass that you couldn't see through. So I flipped up my visor and my eyes were just turning into fucking glass balls. I was dying. That was the worst experience of my life. It was the middle of the night and I was up from like all day working and shit, so I was literally like falling asleep on the way home. I almost flew off the road on my fucking Supermoto. I get back, I'm like, wow, that was the shittiest thing I've ever experienced. And then, but you know, like I'm hella excited to ride it, right? The next day, I ride it across town and it breaks down. It just fucking breaks down. Worthless goddamn motherfucking piece of shit. Don't buy a motherfucking Husqvarna because it keeps taking money. That doesn't make sense. But yeah, so that's where I'm headed right now. I'm headed to the mechanic to go pick that fucker up. So hell yeet. Got my chimichangas. Hell yeah. Yeah, so here's the bike. The old Supermoto, the SM450R. Husky Varna. You know how it goes. You know the fucking system. Yeah, probably about to go ride it or something like that. Yeah, I don't know though. It's pretty dope. Sometimes you just gotta full send. I gotta fix that motherfucker. That stupid bitch. I'm gonna go see what I can't get for footage. Cause I don't really have, like, I don't want to get my GoPro out right now. That'll be like another video. So I'll have to like record riding a Supermoto on the streets with a phone. How's that gonna work? You know? You know? You know? It really do be like that sometime. So yeah. What the fuck is going on? Whatever, man. I'm not feeling it right now. Just really. Yeah. I kind of look like Rainbow fucking Jack out here with my then a fucking green backpack. Are you kidding me? What the fuck am I right now, dude? Just the riding fucking rainbow. Oh, fucker. Yeah. Holy shit, it's cold out here, bruh. It's like fucking riding through the Frozone layer. It's retarded. Hell yeah, full send though. Yeah, so I just looked at the video I took, and it was fucking the gayest shit I ever fucking seen, so I don't really know how to record with my camera. I don't know how to record me riding on the street. Maybe I should ride up here or something. Just fucking full yeet up on top of this canal here. Hell yeah. Shit! Oh fuck. Here come the feds. They're fucking after me. Boy, let me tell you. Fucking bro. Fucker. Bitch ass. Also, if anyone is wondering how the Supermoto broke down like previously, it was the fucking carburetor. What can I fucking say? The goddamn motherfucking carburetor. I fucking hate carburetors. I hate you. Die. And apparently there's even more issues that are wrong with it, and I have to fix it even more, so that sucks. And my sprocket there's getting all red and shrapnelized from all the red gravel that's just chilling because well, there's fucking red gravel everywhere. So hell yeah, full send. Hit the subscribe button. Full send. Full send to that subscribe button. You know, it really do be like that sometimes. So I would do it because you never know. You never know what could happen. I heard someone else honking in the distance, so I had to honk back, It's kind of like just a Morse code kind of thing. Yeah, drop a like.